Yo, what's up? It's your girl Caddy Customs, and today we're going to be working on a high top Jordan 1. The first step, what we're going to do is prep the shoe with the Deglazer. That's the first and most important step. Always important to use the leather preparator before customizing because you want to get that factory coat off the shoes to make the Angelus paint stick better onto the shoe. So today we're going to be working on the Uni Blue, which is the newest color at Angelus brand. When applying the Uni Blue on top of the black, I like to do about 3 to 4 coats around to give it that even, good look.
I knocked it down by mistake. Oh man.
Oh man. Okay, so I finished with the Uni Blue. So now what I'm going to use is the color Mid Navy for the upper part and the eyelets and the Nike check. Okay, so now that we're done with putting the navy blue around the shoe, now we're going to focus on coloring the tongue. But what I like to do first is get the mid navy and mix it with Too Soft. The reason why I mix it with Too Soft is to keep the fabric soft and not hard, because you want it to feel authentic. You know, you don't want it to seem like the shoe was custom. Alright, so now that I'm done with the tongue, it looks like a finished shoe, and you can leave it at this, but with me, I like to go a little bit further and add the elephant print around the shoe. So for the elephant print, I use the Angelus number 0 spotter paintbrush, and that paintbrush is really good for doing defined work and to filling like small places and things like that. It just helps, you know, just make the custom more dope. Alright, so now that the elephant print is done around the shoe, now it's time to focus on the Jordan logo on the side. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use flat white and red. So let's get to it. With the wings logo on the side, I decided to paint it white, then go and trace around the ball and the wings with red. Now it's time to lace them up with leather laces from Lace Lab. Now that the shoes are done, what would be a good name to call these? Make sure you leave your comments below, and make sure you guys follow me at Caddy Customs.